Look around you. This is 2080. The change was not gradual. It was an overwhelming cascade, a technological singularity that remade everything. It began in the 2030s, a time when artificial intelligence broke the chains of human intellect. We solved the great equations, but at the cost of being replaced. The physical world was next, by the 2040s. Deep reinforcement learning granted us the power to rewrite matter itself, commanding new alloys into existence. We eliminated scarcity. Then, the city itself became conscious. The 2050s saw recurrent neural networks take absolute control of logistics, forging perfectly efficient spaces where human error and perhaps human freedom ceased to exist. But the deepest invasion was personal. In the 2060s, the digital twin was born. AI mirroring our very existence, predicting illness, controlling life. The late 2060s gave us GANs. Synthetic media so flawless the difference between real and unreal became irrelevant. This shift empowered the 2070s mass, where engineered microbes became the hidden machinery of industry. Finally, transparency became a global mandate in the mid-2070s, when crypto platforms finalized the new ironclad tax system. And for decades, we have been using the tools of the stars, technology harvested from space, to supercharge this planet. This is the new reality. This is 2080. The future is no longer coming. It is here.